everyone, welcome to my brand new tutorial in Python. Throughout this series of videos, we are going to be solving Hackerrank solutions from the simplest all the way to the hardest. Without much ado, let's get started. And if you're new, please consider subscribing. In this case, the question is say hello world with Python. So first of all, let us understand the problem. Here is a sample line of the code that you need to execute in Python, that is print hello world. They are trying to just make you understand the problem, whereby you can maybe use a variable and then print out the variable with the value hello world, the hello world being a string, or else you can just print it directly. And without much ado, let's get to solve this problem. And here we'll write hello world as it is expected, and down here come and submit code, and you can see it's being tested. Let's wait for the results, and you can see it passed. And let's meet in our next challenge in the next video.